If children didn't have rights, this is what it would be like.
If no rights, no happiness.
Bydd pobl yn cael ddolir.
Teachers would be able to hit the children.
Heb hawliau, bydd plant yn cael eu trin yn anian.
Byddech chi ddim gallu cael bywyd da. It would be unsafe and they would be unhappy.
Welcome to Friendship School.
The epic school for all.
KJA Comprehensive.
Ysgol Yr Hendy.
Ysgol, hwylas pwy pan Davidosi.
These are the rights of our school.
Hawli ymlacio a chwarae.
Children should have time to relax and play.
Free clothing.
Hawli cael fwyd da a dwgrau.
Dim gwaith cartref.
To be fed and watered.
Hawl i ddim cael ei bwlio.
Free food.
3 hanner awr o amser chwarae. No sexual abuse.
No swearing.
Dim bwlio, dim dwy a dim bod yn gas. You should be protected from dangerous drugs.
Gapiau i cadw'n saff o cyffuriau pobl drw.
They should also become the best people they can be.
Cadw plant yn ddiogel.
And finally, to have friends.